So as I mentioned, as we move from here to here, acid character decreases. As we move from here to here, basic character increases. What is the reason behind it? We said that pH means the power of hydrogen ion. So hydrogen ion decreases from here. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പോകുന്തോറും എച്ച് പ്ലസ് അയൺ കോൺസെൻട്രേഷൻ കുറഞ്ഞ് വരുന്നത്. എച്ച് പ്ലസ് അയൺ കോൺസെൻട്രേഷൻ കുറയുക എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ബേസിക് ക്യാരക്ടർ കൂടി വരും. ഇവിടെ കൂടുതൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് OH കോൺസെൻട്രേഷൻ, ഇവിടെ കൂടുതൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് എച്ച് പ്ലസ് കോൺസെൻട്രേഷൻ. സോ ആസ് വി മൂവ് ഫ്രം 0 to 7, H plus concentration decreases. H plus ion concentration decreases. Here we are showing the arrow opposite side. That means from here to here it is increases. Correct. So that this part will be higher in H plus ion concentration. Here H plus ion concentration decreases. That means OH character increases. H plus കുറയുകയും OH increase ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യും. ഇവിടെ H plus കുറയുക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് തന്നെ ബേസിക് ക്യാരക്ടറിനെ കാണിക്കുന്നു. So here the H plus ion concentration decreases and OH concentration increases. So naturally from when it is reaching here, it will be more basic in nature. It is more basic in nature. Okay, so this is the ratio or range of acid and base 0 to 40. 0 to 7 it shows acidic character, 7 to 14 it shows basic character. pH means the power of hydrogen ion concentration. So as we move from 0 to 14, the H plus ion concentration decreases, so that the H plus ion concentration is more in the range 0, 1, 2 and 3. The number from 4 to 7 it decreases, that means it is weak in nature. Then as we move from 7 to 14, H plus ion concentration decreases and OH minus concentration increases. That means basic character increases. 8, 9 and 10 are weak base and 11, 12, 13, 14 etc. are strong bases. Okay, so normally we can see some of the substance that shows color change. So when we dip a pH paper, a universal indicator paper is available, it shows different color to acid and bases. When we dip the pH paper, it is available in the laboratory. When it is dipped in the acid or base, it shows different colors. It is given in this picture. It shows different color. So more stronger acid shows red in color and more or strong bases shows violet or blue in color. Okay, so red color fades and it changes into yellow, then green, and when it is reaches 7 it shows a green color. Water shows the green color. Distilled water shows the normal pure water or the normal water that we get from the pipe, or pipe will not shows pH that colors green because it contains impurity. Distilled water shows the color 7. And as we move from 7 to 14, the color changes green to blue and then reaches the dark blue in color. Okay, in some book it's written as violet color. Okay, so this is the range. The stomach acid, but which is the stomach acid? That is hydrochloric acid, which shows a color red in color. Then sulfuric acid, nitric acid etc. shows a red in color. Lemon juice shows a pH 3 and vinegar etc. also shows the color pH 4. ഈ pH പേപ്പറിൽ നമുക്ക് ഒരു യെല്ലോ പോലത്തെ ഒരു പേപ്പറാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. ഇൻ ദ പേപ്പർ ദർ ഇസ് എ സ്കെയിൽ, കളർ ചേഞ്ച് ഓൾസോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഗിവൺ. ഓരോ കളർ ചേഞ്ചിനും ഓരോ നമ്പർ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. when we dip into an acid or base, it shows color. ആ കളർ വെച്ച് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാം which is the pH range, and we will say whether it is a strong acid or a weak acid. Okay, 5. The normal coffee shows 5 color, the pH 5. Then soft drinks are mostly pH 6 in range, and our milk is 6.5, and pure water shows the range 7. And then we move from here, the basic character increases. The saliva that is in our mouth, before the meals it shows 7.4. After the meals, the acidic character increases, so it shows the pH 5.8. So before the meals, the pH in our saliva is 7.4, and it is shows a less pH, that means it is more acidic after the meals, that is 5.8. Then the color of the blood, when we dip the pH paper, it is 7.4. The pH of blood is 7.4. Then 7.8, that is egg, that is basic in character. Egg is basic in character. Then toothpaste, it shows the range 8. Then the basic character increases here. Baking soda, that is 8.5. Washing soda that we used is 9. Then milk of magnesia. Antacids are showing the pH 10. Antacids are bases. That's why when we feel acidity, we take milk of magnesia, antacids, gelusil, etc. It shows the pH 10.5. Then the ammonia, dilute sodium hydroxide, concentrated hydroxide, etc. shows the range 40. So this is the pH scale of different substances. Okay, just mention some of the substances. Okay, gastric juice, I told you 1.6 to 3. Soft drinks, lemon, vinegar, tomato, beer, it contains the range 4 to 5. Acidic character is more in beer. Okay, urine, it contains 4.8 to 8.4. It is slightly acidic in nature. Depending upon the human being, it changes. Milk, I told you, it is mostly the milk range is 6.5. Saliva, the blood, then egg, milk of magnesia, ammonia, etc. So this is a small topic. Most of the time in the examination it is asked, some pH is given and identify whether it is acid or base. So straight away you can answer this question. Find out whether the scale ranges from 0 to 7 or 7 to 14. If it is in middle of 0 to 7, we can say it is an acid substance. If it is 7 to 14, we can say that it is a basic substance. And if they are asking whether it is strong or weak, then you have to look whether it is comes in between 1, 2 or 3, then it is a strong acid. If it comes in between 13, 14 and 15, it is a strong base. If it comes in between 5, 6 or 7, 4, 5 or 6, it is weak acid. 8, 9, 10, etc. it shows a weak base. Okay, so we will study more in detail, that is how it is important in our day-to-day life, how importance of pH in our day-to-day life in next class. Thank you.